Hi everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda. If you want daily current affairs in a simple, fast, and clear way, you are in the right place. I bring you fresh MCQs and important updates every day. Let's get started. So, coming to weekly current affairs, the first question of today is INS Wangshir belongs to which class of submarines? Option B, Calvary class. President Draupadi Murmu is the dash president to take a submarine sortie. Option B, second president. Motto of INS Wangshir is Option B, Virta Varchasva Vijaya. What was the overarching theme of the 5th National Conference of Chief Secretaries? Option C, Human Capital for Viksit Bharat. Indian Standard 19445 2025 relates to Option C, Bomb Disposal System. Indian Standard 19262 2025 released by Union Minister Prahlad Joshi relates to which products? Option C, Electric Agricultural Tractors. Dhanuyatra is held in Option B, Bargarh. Dhanuyatra is famous as Option B, that is world's largest open air theatre. PV Sindhu was elected chair of Option D, that is BWF Athletes Commission. Paramrudra supercomputer was launched at Option C, IIT Patna. India's first indigenous 1.5 Tesla MRI scanner was developed by Option A, Oxel Grids. Who was appointed as Odisha's first woman chief secretary? Option B, Anu Garg. China's world's longest expressway tunnel is located in Option C, Xinjiang. India's first lost, looted, recovered firearm database is developed by Option C, NIA. Length of world's longest expressway tunnel, Tianshan Shangli is Option D, 22.13 kilometers. The maiden flight test of Pinaka LRGR 120 was conducted at which location? Option B, Chandipur, Odisha. What is the maximum range of Pinaka long range guided rocket? Option C, 120 kilometers. India added how much renewable energy capacity in 2025 till November? Option A, 44.51 gigawatts. India achieved 50% non-fossil installed capacity in which month or year? Option B, June 2025. India ranks dash globally in solar installed capacity. Option C, third. GST on solar devices was reduced to? Option D, 5%. India AI Impact Summit 2026 focuses on which theme? Option B, democratizing AI. India AI Impact Summit is anchored on which three sutras? Option B, People, Planet and Progress. The Parvati Arga Bird Sanctuary has been declared as eco-sensitive zone by which authority? Option A, Government of India. Which initiative was launched by Himachal Pradesh to promote industrial hemp cultivation? Option A, Green to Gold. Which material does Himachal Pradesh aim to manufacture under the Hemp Hub vision? Option D, Hempcrete. BharatGen AI supports how many Indian languages? Option C, 22 Indian languages. Kavach 4.4 was commissioned in which section? Option B, Bajwa, Ahmedabad. National Frequency Allocation Plan 2025 came into effect from? Option D, 30th December 2025. Which frequency band is identified for international mobile telecommunication under NFVAP 2025? Option A, that is 6425 to 7125 megahertz. So, how many young authors were selected under PM Yuva 3.0? Option D, 43 young authors. From which date will 100% Australian tariff lines be zero duty for India? Option D, 1st January 2026. GNPA, that is gross non-performing assets ratio, declined to multi-decadal low of how much percentage? Option C, 2.2%. Intelligent Grievance Monitoring System IGMS is developed by? Option A, IIT Kanpur. India ranks globally in AI competitiveness as per Stanford report. Option B, third. President Draupadi Murmu attended the sanitary celebrations of the Old Shiki script at which place? Option B, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. DRDO successfully conducted a salvo launch of 2 Pralay missiles on which date? Option C, 31st December 2025. DRDO celebrated its 68th Foundation Day on Option A, 1st January 2026. Which missile system received acceptance of necessity in 2025? Option C, Astra Mk2. India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train will run between Option C, Guwahati to Ghaura. BSNL launched nationwide voice-over Wi-Fi service on Option B, 1st January 2026. Credit guarantee scheme for exporters is implemented through which portal? Option C, Jan Samarth portal. Maximum collateral free credit support under CGSC is Option C, 20,000 crores. The Pralay missile has an approximate strike range of Option C, 350 to 500 kilometers. Skill the Nation AI Challenge was launched under which initiative? Option A, SOAR initiative. IGNOU Regional and Skill Center was inaugurated at Option D, Rairangpur, Odisha. India hosted Waves 2025 under which ministry? Option C, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Waves 2025 saw participation from how many countries? Option C, 90 plus countries. India's first 3D flex aqueous angiography with eye stent was performed at Option B, Army Hospital, Delhi, Kant. Arjun Ergasi won bronze medal at which championship? Option C, World Rapid Chess Championship. Neeru Danda won gold medal in which event? Option A, that is women's trap shooting. The first mountain tunnel breakthrough of the bullet train project in Maharashtra was achieved in which district? Option B, Palghar. What is the name of the mountain tunnel where the breakthrough was achieved? Option C, MT5. The length of MT5 mountain tunnel is approximately how many kilometers? That is 1.5 kilometers. The MT5 tunnel is located between which two bullet train stations? So it is located between Virar and Boisar. Pragati stands for that is proactive governance and timely implementation. Pragati primarily focuses on focuses on project monitoring and issue resolution. How many proposals were approved under the third tranche of ECMS? Option C, 22. Piparwa Relics exposition was inaugurated at Option D, Rai Pitora Cultural Complex. National Awards for E-Governance 2026 includes how many categories? Option B, 7 categories. Indian Pharmacopoeia 2026 is the dash edition. Option C, 10th edition. India's rank in WHO pharmacovigilance contributions in 2025 is Option D, 8th rank. Blood component monographs were introduced for the first time in Option D, IB 2026. The Piparwa relics are directly associated with which historical personality? Option C, Bhagwan Buddha. After how many years did the sacred Piparwa relics return to India? Option C, 125 years. Which language originally used for Bhagwan Buddha's teachings has been accorded classical language status? Option A, Pali. The Piparwa site is widely identified with which ancient place? Option B, Kapil Vastu. The 9 Siddha Day celebrations were organized under which ministry? Option C, Ministry of Ayush. Siddha Day commemorates the birth anniversary of which sage? Option D, Agathiyar. The theme of 9th Siddha Day celebrations was option A, Siddha for global health. So friends, these were today's important current affairs MCQs. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to Current Affairs Adda for daily updates. Tomorrow I will come with more important current affairs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.